Hi everyone, let's go to one more video in our Diecast channel. In this video I'm going to show you this 1969 Dodge Coronet Super Bee mod top, which is different from that dark green I've shown before for the mod top actually. And this mod top pattern and this color is about the same pattern of a couple of darts I've shown before. They're both from 69 and this car is 69 as well. Before we take a better look at it, don't forget to subscribe my channel, to leave your like and your comments, and to click the bell for news. Let's take a better look at it. First thing we see in the front is that grill we've seen before. It's actually not a grill, or Earl not always makes a grill, but pretty good simulation. And this is painted black with the B right here in the right corner, and the blinkers, the headlights, of which are pretty realistic, as well as the fake air intakes we have. By opening the hood, and in this car, in the real car, they're not actually fake, by the way. By opening the hood, we can see this very nice Hemi engine with all cables and wires and hoses, the reservoir, the battery, all components are here. This is pretty well made for a narrow model, which is simpler than a Highway 61 or an Authentics, for instance. Those hinges here are not so thick as we see in some other cars, but they're okay, really. I would rather have those panographic coil springs hinges as we find in more sophisticated cars, but that's okay. The hood opens and closes correctly. It's right here. The interior is all made in white. As we can see, the bench seat with the floor on the floor, on the dashboard, which is made in a black plastic as well as a floor. It sort of simulates a carpet, but it's not a carpet actually. There's no headliners, no sun visors. Vent window is fixed. This door has a little misalignment here, but it's okay. The car is good as a whole. The top simulates vinyl. It's very well made. It's got this mod top pattern, this flower pattern here. It's sort of a style that you either love or hate. Bumblebee stripe. The trunk lid is fixed. And the taillights are just like the other Coronet Super Bees I've shown before. Dual exhaust and the B logo right here. I really like those wheels and tires. I like those red stripe tires with the Magnum wheels. Interior, driver's door, steering wheel, the gauges. The gauges are actually stickers, but they pretty well made, as well as the dashboard. It's okay. It's really Earl usually makes those budget models. This is an old model, so it's very well made for its pattern, really, for its standard. And the bottom of the car, as we can see, the engine, it looks a little bit plastic, but it's okay. It's all right. It's in bright colors, as well as transmission. Drive shaft is fixed. It really doesn't turn, just like the Highway 61. Wheels and tires have a pretty good pattern, as the mufflers are correct color. The gas tank could use a little silver paint right here. And it's all made in black. Suspension is fixed. It's okay. It's pretty good for this model standard, I would say. So this would be a very nice car to have in a diecast muscle car collection, especially if you're a Mopar fan, as I am, just like I am. So don't forget to subscribe my channel, to leave a like in the comments below, and click the bell for news. I thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.